Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World equity markets edged lower as markets digested the likelihood of US interest rates being lowered soon, even as oil prices jumped amid increased tensions in the Middle East. The benchmark S&P 500 index and the Nasdaq gave up early gains and traded lower, while the Dow climbed. Cryptocurrency investors have been increasingly purchasing Bitcoin-related exchange-traded products amid concerns over potentially looming interest rate cuts in September. Digital asset investment products saw weekly inflows worth $533 million from August the 18th to August the 24th. Nvidia is likely to report that its second quarter revenue more than doubled, but investors used to its blockbuster results will be expecting even more from the artificial intelligence chip giant, as any miss on expectations could hurt companies' shares.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 14 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 13 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence will be released at 0:01 GMT. Finland's industrial confidence at 5 GMT. Germany's gross domestic product at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.